You're here with Bob and Mark. We're out here on the Brazos River, out here at one of our favorite places to fish. Hoping to catch something today. I don't know what we're gonna catch. Hopefully some striper, catfish, sand bass, crappie. That's our main goal. And whatever else comes along. You never know at this river. We're here in one of our favorite spots. If it's windy, sorry about the wind. Can't help that. It's blowing right at us today. But it's a nice, beautiful day out here. It's early in the morning. And we're ready to do some fishing. It's good to know they're right up in here.
See, that's what's been messing with you.
Yeah, there's probably quite a few of them out there. If there's one, there's more. Y'all know how I know it's a male?
Yeah, just don't. You know.
You can't really sex the fish, but you owe me child support now. Yeah, it's a sand bass, guys. And you can tell that they ain't spawned yet by my leg here. And they're getting ready to. But they're actively out searching for food. And still haven't spawned. I mean, he's in pre-spawn mode right now. He's ready to go. He's ready to find a bed with a female and protect some eggs for a minute, and then take off back downriver, back to the lake. Oh! As soon as I sit down, is that a drum? We got catfish bait. More catfish bait, y'all. This is probably what had yours.
Turkey, look at him.
Yep. He's just an ugly guy. They're supposed to be good eating, but I don't want to eat him. Let him go. Oh, my right ankle's just throbbing this morning. Well, I catch a sand bass, and Marcus knows out there he catches a sand bass, and y'all check it out. This is Marcus's whopper. Oh man, such a little guy.
I was pretty excited about it too.
Oh man.
He's a
Well,
big one.
they come in all different sizes. That's just one of them.
I got us a little drum. That's fun to catch. Throw him back. There he is. Oh boy. Well, sit rep, it is too damn windy and we can't even cast right now because we're casting right into the wind. And so Bob's gonna wait out there. He's actually gonna walk out there in this cold water. I don't know how cold it is, but it's cold. And see if we can't get a little bit further out. And when I say we, I mean him. I'm not doing it. But he's fixing to come back in his underwear, folks, and this is going to get real scary real fast. So I'll let you know what happens right here on NTX Fishing. You having fun, bud? Okay.
Well, it's been fun fishing for you guys. It's Bob and Mark, and we appreciate y'all watching, and hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys next time. We're out of here. Peace.